Hey guys, the original gamer here. Well, the original gamer 123 here, and I'm back with another video. Here is my new gaming PC. Well, it's pretty old actually. It's Windows XP. Um, and you might not believe me, but I actually repaired this. When I found it in my laundry, I pressed the button and it had 3 beeps, which means something was wrong inside. So I had to tear this part off. And this was the problem. It's like right here. Oh man, I can't like get it out. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, here's the problem. This here was really bad. It was really affecting the computer badly, and it didn't get a good result. So I removed this, and now it's working perfectly. And I want to show you it turning on. Show you it turning this thing on in action. Let's go ahead. Yeah, I plugged it to my TV instead of a monitor, cause I don't have a freaking monitor. So that's why I just put it to my TV. So wait for it. There we go. It's the computer is loading up right now. Luckily it's got like some kind of hardware accelerator or something like that, and it makes the computer faster. Also, when I opened it up, I figured out what an Intel Core processor looks like. Okay, here it is. Okay, so yes, this is my real name, Christian Giannis. Yeah, that's my brother's. Don't touch that. I just put the volume up so you can like hear the startup sound, for those of you who love it. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. There's a startup sound. And, so I already got everything set up, and, okay, there we go. There's all my, icons. I got, like, a Super Nintendo emulator. Even a Game Boy Advance emulator. So, okay, that's in the way. Reason why that shows up is because, you know, to get my, apps started. So, yep, I'm the one who actually repaired this. No kidding. You can tell because you saw that, like, bad thing that was right there. So, I'm gonna click here. Yep, recording a video. Okay, so, yeah, this is my, my gaming computer. So, yep. Okay, let's get my Game Boy Advance emulator. Oh, I even got Five Nights at Freddy's on this. And now, there we go. This is exactly what I needed. Like, literally, though. So, here it is, my gaming computer. It's about to run a Game Boy Advance game. And the game that this computer is going to run is Super Mario Kart. Wait, Mario Kart Super Circuit. That's how you pronounce it, right? Okay. I don't know how that got here. Okay. There we go. And, yup. So, this computer was originally for my grandma, but a long time ago she dropped it, which explains, like, which explains why this thing is severely damaged. I had to repair it to fix to get it working again. Okay, so yeah, this is Game Boy Advance emulator. So I wish I could like do a replay, but unfortunately there's no replays or anything. So yeah. Anyway, so there's that. Exit. Oh, that came up. Oh, that got away so quick. So properties. There's even some cool screensavers. Like one of my favorites is Aquarium. Just look how 3D. Just look how realistic it is. You see, doesn't that look realistic or what? Yeah, Windows XP. Windows XP has got everything. It's too bad that Microsoft doesn't support it anymore. I still count it as a good computer. So yeah. There's even this other 3D. There are like a few 3D screensavers like this one. It's called Space.
Bill Clinton.
So there's that guy. He's floating in space right now. That's just in a screensaver. So you must be wondering why everything is like extremely widescreen. Well, in order to do that, right click on the desktop, hit properties, settings, and you see this. This is lowest graphics. Apply. See, this is the lowest graphics, and I just set it all the way to the highest graphics possible. Click apply. And look how wide the entire screen is now. Yeah, I like it like this better, because you can like see pretty much everything. Well, that's all I got for today. Well, I guess I'll see you guys later.